Hey y'all, welcome back to Rooster's Recipe. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 easy dinner recipes, and we have just gotten back from Hawaii, so that's probably why you have noticed we have not been on the channel in the past couple of weeks, but we are back and we are in full force, and we are going to start off today making stuffed bell peppers. These are so easy and so delicious. Days are made for you. You make me weak. So the next thing you want to do is go ahead and brown some ground turkey and add 1 cup of your favorite pasta sauce. You and me. So darling, please fly away with me. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and add 1 cup of cooked rice to your mixture. Then I'm just going to go ahead and fill all of the bell peppers up with the turkey and rice mixture. So I'm going to add tinfoil to the top of my pan and pop these in the oven on 350 for about 15 minutes. After they're done cooking for about 15 minutes, you can go ahead and remove the foil, and we're going to add some shredded mozzarella cheese to the top, and then we're going to pop them back in the oven for about 10 minutes uncovered. And then that's it. They are completely done and absolutely delicious. I usually end up eating mine in a bowl, and I promise if you make these, you will not regret it. Okay, so next up we are making cheddar and broccoli soup. Now I did use my steamer to steam my broccoli, but you can steam yours however you like. You can use the microwave. It is a lot easier. Okay, now that I'm done steaming up the broccoli, I'm going to go ahead and start the soup, and I'm going to start off with a half a stick of butter, and I'm going to go ahead and let that melt. Next, I'm going to add in 1 yellow onion diced, and I'm going to cook that for about 2 minutes. Once that 2 minutes is up, I'm going to go ahead and add in my minced garlic, and I use about 2.5 tablespoons, but this is different for everyone. It really just depends on your taste preference, and I'm going to go ahead and stir that around for an additional minute. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to go ahead and whisk that around until it's golden brown. So I have my burner on medium heat, and I'm adding 2 cups of vegetable broth and stirring it in, and then I'm also going to add in 3 cups of half and half. Go ahead and let this cook for about 5 minutes and stir occasionally until the flour is all melted. I'm also going to add in salt and pepper, and then I like to add ground mustard to mine, so I'm going to sprinkle about a tablespoon, maybe just a teaspoon in, and then also I'm going to sprinkle in some garlic powder. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my already steamed broccoli, so it will take a lot less time to cook this because my broccoli is already steamed and ready. And then after I stir that all in, I'm also going to add in 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese and stir that around and let it thicken. After all your ingredients are added, you're going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes and let it thicken all the way up, and your soup will be ready to go. The soup turned out so good. It was absolutely delicious. After I get done, I like to add a little bit extra shredded cheddar cheese while it's still hot and stir that around, let it melt, and dig in. Now, I don't get on TikTok a lot, but I know enough about it to know that this recipe has gone viral on TikTok. Some of you may have tried it, but it's the Buffalo Wild Wings Parmesan garlic chicken pasta. You're just going to need 1 bottle of this sauce that you can get at Walmart. It's the Parmesan garlic sauce, and then you're going to add 1 cup of milk. I just added my milk to the bottle, shook it up, that way I could get all of the rest of the sauce out. And then you're going to add 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Now I actually use mozzarella cheese because I did not have any Parmesan cheese, and it worked out just fine. And then you're going to add 1 block of cream cheese and pop the top on that baby and cook it on high for about 3 to 4 hours. It really just depends. It doesn't take very long to cook because the chicken is already pre-cooked. I'm going to come in at about halfway through and stir it around and let all of that cream cheese get mixed in really well. About 30 minutes before your time is up on the crock pot, you're going to come in and boil your pasta. I only used about half a box of rotini. You can use any pasta of your choice, but I would only suggest using about 8 ounces. That's really all you need. When the pasta is all cooked according to the back of the box, go ahead and add it to your crock pot and stir it around and let it cook for an additional 20 to 30 minutes. And that's all, you guys. It will be completely done after that, and you can serve it with your favorite bread. We used garlic bread this night, or you can use breadsticks, you can use rolls, whatever you like, but it's absolutely delicious. I can definitely see why it went viral, and it's also super, super easy. I will leave all of the recipes down below in the description box as usual. That way you don't have to go searching the internet for them or go to a million different websites. Oh, and don't forget to add the Parmesan cheese on top. That's like the best part. I wish I could credit the person who created this recipe or shared this recipe first, but it has been shared so many times that I have no idea how to find that out. If you know, let me know, but I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you'll subscribe if you're new. I will have more What's for Dinners coming this month, so make sure you stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!